Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on or off the sound on the Waze app. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the Waze app, and after that you can see at the bottom at the right corner the sound icon. So you have to click on that, and you have three options: the sound off, alerts only, and sound on. And after that you can see that the Waze voice now it's in English, but you have several other language option as well. So this is really helpful, because if you do not speak English, maybe you can find your own language. And if you click on the more sounds option, here you see that there is other helpful options as well, like the voice commands, like the Google Assistant, the voice typing. It's in Romanian right now, and it says that search for location by speaking the language of the country you are in. And if you click on the default local language, here is the list from where you can choose your own language. And here is the guidance volume, so you can adjust it as well. Play sound to phone speaker, and the mute Waze during course option, which is also really helpful. And the last one is show on the map the audio player. So this is the voice and sound option, and how you can turn on or off the voice on Waze. I hope this video was helpful for you, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.